Today's video, it's a quick tip video, and I gotta tell you, it has to do with this tool right here. Now, if you've ever smelled gas and you were worried, well, this can get to the bottom of it in seconds. Put your mind at ease. I'm gonna tell you what it is and how to use it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, can I just say welcome to you. We're a home improvement channel. We're beginners. Well, they're welcome as well. Now at the top of the video, I talked about this tool right here. And anybody that knows me, they know I have just a love affair with tools. Now what is it? Well, it's a gas detector. And if you smell gas in your house, oh my goodness, you're gonna be worried, right? Well, this tool helps you figure out where it is. And the thing I like the most about it is it tells you, well, how serious that gas leak is. Is it a heavy gas leak or is it a tiny gas leak? This tool can do it. So let me show you how easy it is to use. Okay, this is the tool right here. It's the HomeFlex electronic gas leak detector. I purchased it at Home Depot for about $33. It quickly checks for gas leaks at appliances, piping leaks, and tank leaks. This right here, this end cap, let's take this off so you can see. This is where your batteries go. Now, the batteries don't come with the tool. You're going to have to purchase two AA batteries. Tighten that up. Now next, you're going to want to remove this cap. And that cap there, it just twists or pulls off, and it protects the sensor here. Now, if you're somebody who does DIY around the house, this is a tool you want to consider. You know, if you're installing a hot water tank or a furnace or installing a gas stove and you want to check your connections, this is a tool you may want to have in your toolbox. Now, some of you may be saying, well, wait a second, Leah, what about soapy water? Well, I've used a soapy solution to check connections for leaks. And well, what I'll tell you is this, it can be a little messy, and sometimes I don't want to mix up soapy water. I just want to grab my tool and get right to it. And well, this tool allows you to do it. Now, beyond checking for natural gas leaks, this is really great for butane, methane, and also propane gases. It's time to put our tool to the test. Now, if you notice, I want to draw this to your attention. You've got a series of lights there, and those lights will indicate whether or not you've got a tiny leak or you've got a larger leak. A green light, number 1 at the bottom, it just indicates the tool is ready for usage. If you get a yellow and a green light, you got a small leak. If you see a green, yellow, and orange light, well, it's a medium leak that's being detected. Now, if you see a green, yellow, orange, and red light, it's significant. It's a significant gas leak being detected. Now, if your sensor shows a red light at the very bottom, it means that the sensor has failed. Now, the way we're going to test our tool here is we're just going to use a lighter because, well, lighters have butane gas. Now, it's really simple. To calibrate the tool, there's a button, and you just have to push it, just like that. And it's calibrating. It'll let you know when it's ready to use. So we've got our green light. It's ready to use now. All right, let's put it to the test. I've got a lighter here. I'm not going to flick the flint because I don't want the lighter to light. I just want gas to escape, so I'm just going to hold down the button, and we're going to see what happens. There we go, folks. What could be easier than that? If you're new to the channel, you may not know that seejanedrill bought the ugliest house and the most dilapidated house they could find in the state of Florida. Really, it just needed so much work. In fact, family and friends said, listen, Leah, are you certain you want to buy this thing? it's a real ugly duckling, or at least it was. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about taking a piece of property, turning it around, and making it your dream house. So if you've got your own ugly duckling, you'll want to check out this channel and subscribe, because I tell you how to turn around a lot of issues. We talk about tools here, we talk about how to make repairs, and we talk about how to make improvements and upgrades to your house. Now beyond that, we have a special master class you may want to check out. I'll place a link in the description below. If you're trying to, improve your home improvement skills and you feel maybe a little nervous around tools, or you just want to join a community of like-minded people who are making their own repairs and saving a lot of money in the process, well, check out the link below. Now what I want to tell you is I purchased this tool for a little over $30 at Home Depot. But after I purchased it, well, I found it online on Amazon for half the price. It's not the same maker, but it's the same exact identical tool. So I'm going to place a link in the description below, because hey, we're all about saving some money nowadays, right? So you can, well, check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.